morning and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing these locked gatefold pockets. I was inspired by, it's probably Sharon, and she cut papers out to fold it in. I've actually got these gatefold cards. These are the ones I'm going to use. So I'm going to use one for my I'm doing a grungy numbers journal, and I have these papers here, and I'm going to use these two papers from Rockwell Designs, I believe. And I'm going to, instead of, as I did with this one here, I covered it with some foxed paper, plain paper. I'm going to stamp on it down here and along round here. And I've got the Tim Holtz Paint by Numbers stamps I thought I could use. Go with the number 5. I'm going to try the archival ink here. I hope this is going to work. I should have, well, I can do it on here. See whether this works. Oh yeah, that's fine. Don't want it really black. It's just for a background. What I didn't get was my cleaning cloth. Okay, got one. What I'm going to do now is just start stamping all over this. Okay, I decided to give it a go with some black soot as well. See whether that works better. Oh yeah, that works, definitely works better. I now want to put a pocket down here, and I quite like this 9 here, so I'll just cut that down. Sorry about that, I realised I didn't have my cutting cutter here, so I had to go off and find it in the lounge. Meanwhile, I did cut this down. I changed my mind, as I liked these bigger numbers, as it would go with these in here. And one of the other things I haven't done is actually ink around the card, which I think needs to be done, because it will go in with the kind of colours of the papers that I've got as well. And then I also need to cut out, I want to do 2 pieces here of this one. I felt the brighter one would be better on the front. Okay, I've inked around everything, and I forgot to say, I did back this onto some card just to make it a bit stronger. So I need to glue that on there. And then the other thing is I've cut this piece for the front here and this piece here. Now I need to glue them on first, I think. Ooh, dear, oh dear. Oops. I now want to stick my pocket in. Now I did have another way of putting this together, and unfortunately while I was doing it, it didn't really work too well. So I'm going to go back to what it's probably Sharon did and do a tag closure as well as what I've done. Okay, and we've got to make some tags to go inside. Now what I did do was I made this flip closure, but it doesn't work very well, as you can see. So I'm going to leave it, but I'm going to also go back to putting some pockets on here. Now from when I cut these out, I had a couple of pieces here left over. So I thought I would put these onto here like this. Now to do that, I need to, oh dear, my glue's overflowing. I do need to cut down. You leave a piece there, and I want to go to probably about the same there. So I will cut these two down on the side there. You find your marks. Like that. And then to make sure they're level, I'm putting that on there. And to make sure they're level, you flip it so that when you've got this one, flip it. When you've got this one, you do it on the back, and when you've got this one, it will be the opposite side, if that makes sense. So there. And I will stick these two pieces onto some card as well. These have now been glued onto some card, so I just need to put them on there, glue them down there, and then I've also taken, this is from the My Porch Prints Industrial Tags Kit, one of the tags from that, and I thought that could go as the closure there. But I do want to decorate it, and I have got, I've just got to find it, over here, some pieces that come with this kit, with this, and I thought I could just put these on here, sort of a bit like that. There. So I also need to glue these down. There. I'm thinking I might put some gold dots onto here as well. I'll have to think about that. And then I'm just going to punch a hole in the top here. And put in some of my, oh, shall I put some of that on? Oh yes, I think I will. That's not very straight, is it? Oh well. thought that was in the middle. I've not done very well there. It's a grungy journal, so it doesn't have to be straight. And I'm going to put in some of my butcher's twine. Grungy journals can be crooked. That's really bad and out of sync, out of the center. Okay, and then I just need to glue these down as well. And I just, whoops. Glue along the two sides here. And this just goes into there. And this is what holds it down. Holds it shut. My idea didn't work, but that's the whole point of doing these videos, isn't it? Is showing the mistakes you make as well as the things that work out okay. Now I need some tags in here. And for that, I'm going to use a couple of these. And what I'm going to do is, like I've done with this one, is I'll back these as well in some tea-dyed paper. Now I think I'm not making them very big. I think I'm going to take this one, two thin ones. Cut down there. And then I do like that blue colour there. I'm going to take that off there. This will be a slightly wider one. Just quickly mark that. There. So I have these two cut down that way, and my plan is I need to put them onto some tea-dyed card. While the tags are drying, I want to do, I'm going to trim that off there, because I quite like that line as a small tag somewhere. I don't know where. That can go in the grungy journal somewhere. And I want to put cut some tabs for the top of the journal cards. And for that, I'm using the sample tag dies and the larger one for the tab. Okay, I've also cut out two in white card, so I'm going to glue these to these as well, just to give them a little bit of extra strength when they're pulled out. I need to cut around these tags. They're all ready to be decorated now, inked round, and what I've got for this one is the small circle butterfly from the Industrial Tags kit from My Porch Prints, which I thought I'd put in the middle there. And then I have some numbers from the Digital Collage Club, or Making and Creating, a subscription one I thought could go there. And then a very small one. These are their grungy numbers. Could go over the top there. So, and then on this one, what I've got is some German measuring tape. I thought down the side there, with this underneath, no, this on top, sort of there, and then this, again, this is from the grungy numbers from Making and Creating, grungy numbers and letters. And I thought I could push that all the way up there and over. So we've still got the 1 there, and you can see there's the 8 there. So I just need to glue all these down. Okay, they're all done. Now I just want to glue on the tabs as well. And I think, oh, or should I do a bit of decoration onto the pockets, because they're quite plain, or is it okay like it is? I've got those Digital Collage Club grungy numbers labels. I could maybe stick them on. Okay, maybe I could put a couple of those grungy numbers on from the Digital Collage Club. Where are they? Here. They're a bit big. Maybe the small ones. One there. Oh, that's a bit dark. What have we got here? Why there? Yeah, I just think one on there. And it ties it in by putting the letter on as well. It ties it all in with the tag that I've put the letter A on. Okay, so inside I've got these 2 tags. Not sure when this grungy numbers, grungy journal's coming out. We'll see. And my fail with keeping it shut. And this one here. What I have found when you do these tags, I can't remember if I've said this, it needs to be on card, really strong card, to keep this down in a journal. And I have my one that I've got for my prayer journal here as well. So you'll be seeing that one soon. Okay, thanks very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed that and taken the time out of your day. My idea didn't work, but then that's what it's all about, isn't it? Is trying new things. Don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell and subscribe if you haven't, and come along with me. Thanks a lot. Bye.